Tell Mommy who this is. Look. Who's this? Thomas. And who's this?
Thomas.
No, who's this?
Thomas.
It's Thomas and Ellie. Ellie. Ellie and Thomas. Can you say hi to Ellie and Thomas? Say hi, Ellie and Thomas. Ellie and Thomas. Can you say hey, Aunt Susan, Uncle Matt? Who is it? Say Thomas. Look. Say Thomas and Ellie. Ellie. No, tell Mommy. Tell Mommy who it is. Ellie. And who's that? Thomas. Say Thomas. Thomas. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Love you. Say love you. Hey. Hey. Can you say love you?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.